Got the head back from the machine shop. The two burnt valves were replaced. It was two burnt exhaust valves, so it was definitely one of these over here. But all I'm waiting for is just the head gaskets, the head gasket kit, honestly. So I can just change the water pump, the timing bell, get all of that stuff out the way now. But you know, these CRVs do suffer for whatever reason from burning the valves. This one only has 132,000 miles, which is not that much for a Honda at all, but it did suffer from the burnt valve. So